If you're interested in watching the full tutorial on how I got this beautiful silk wrap on my client, and also for more tips and tricks, then stay tuned and keep watching. Welcome back, beauties. Thank you for stopping by for another video. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So this is one of my clients at the salon, and she is going to get a silk wrap with the Saran Wrap method done to her hair as well. So with all of my clients that are getting any type of silk wraps or silk presses with naturally curly hair or naturally kinky hair, I always include a deep conditioning treatment as well, just because the hair is very usually very dry, and the moisturizer, it just helps to bring back some of that shine in the hair. So I always start with a good wash, a good massage, and a deep conditioning treatment. So that's what I've done to her hair before I blow dried it out. So here's the major key when it comes to doing like a silk wrap or a blowout or a silk press, whatever you want to call it. You want to get you a really good round brush. Make sure that round brush is either medium or small, and when you are going in with each section, you are having a little tension at the roots to stretch that hair, and just keep doing it all the way through until you get through the whole entire hair shaft. Creating that tension actually helps to straighten the hair out, and you want the hair to be as straight as possible when you blow dry it. You get it straight when you blow dry it, then your job will be much easier when it comes to flat ironing. You want to make sure every time you're using heat on your hair, whether it be blow drying or flat ironing, you want to always use a heat protectant. And just so you guys know, I did already spray a heat protectant in her hair once before I blow dried and once before I flat ironed. You see how soft, and well, you guys can't see how soft, but you guys see how shiny her hair looks? Her hair was so shiny and so soft. Oh my goodness. I just love blowouts and silk presses on natural hair. It's something about it. It's so pretty. But you guys can also achieve this look at home if you follow these instructions. If you need to watch the video a couple times to grasp exactly what I was doing, then please, by all means, do so. Make sure you guys are following me on IG at Jus'Marie_hair studio. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Jus'Marie TV. Hit the notification bell. And I do post every Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So make sure you're a part of the family, okay? Okay, so once I get to the top, I just I part horizontally and I flat iron her hair going to the back. And that just helps to like give her a little bit of lift right there at the root where I'm gonna have her feather bang at. Leave a comment below, guys, and let me know if you guys like these type of tutorials, or if there is any type of tutorials that you guys would like to see more of. Please comment that down below. So what you guys didn't see is that before I wrapped her head in the Saran wrap, I did put a little bit of oil on her wrap as well. And then I proceeded to wrap her hair with the Saran wrap. And when you do both, you know, adding the oil on the hair and also putting the Saran wrap on, it just causes the hair to be very, very shiny and like it's full of luster. It looks really, really good when you use the Saran wrap. That's actually one of my favorite new methods for 2019. Yes, yes, that looks good. Oh my goodness, I love it. So beautiful, and it looks so shiny, guys. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I just love seeing the silk wraps and the silk presses, you know, on naturally curly hair. I like to see it blown out like this from time to time, and you can get that, you know, that that relaxed look without having to actually, you know, deal with the huge commitment of having a relaxer, which is pretty nice, you know. But this style is gonna last for 3 weeks as long as she's not around water, humidity, or any type of, she try to sweat, not to sweat too much. Then it won't revert back to its naturally curly hair. So other than that, it'll stay up for 3 weeks. Make sure you wrap it at night. And that is it. That edge control will be offered soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my mailing list, www.Jus'MarieHairCollection.com. All right, beauties. See you next time. Bye.